Hi, I'm Chandan from Shakudo. Today I'm going to show you Airbyte on Shakudo and why this combination is a game changer for data integrations. Businesses have data everywhere: Salesforce, databases, Google Sheets, marketing tools, APIs. You need all of this data at one place for analysis, but getting it there is painful to say the least. Airbyte on Shakudo offers an efficient way to get this done. Let me show you how. Let me start with telling you what Shakudo is. It's an operating system for data and AI. It brings together 250 best-in-class applications in one secured environment so that our users, that is you, don't have to stitch together DevOps, MLOps, and AIOps. Now let's come to Airbyte. Airbyte is an open source data integration platform that helps businesses sync data from hundreds of sources to data warehouses, lakes, or operational tools. It is available on Shakudo as a component. Without Shakudo, the teams will be burdened with weeks of setup, IT dependencies, and ongoing maintenance. Shakudo changes that. It allows you to deploy Airbyte in minutes, connect a new data source instantly, and scale automatically as your data grows. All enterprise ready with built-in security. Your team stays focused on using the data rather than getting distracted by the infrastructure requirements. Now let me show you how show you around on Airbyte. So this is the Airbyte dashboard we're coming to. And if you look at it, Airbyte has four core concepts: the sources, destination, connections, and builder. Let's look at it one by one. So let's start with sources. This is the first one. This is where your data comes from. This page shows you the sources that are already configured. Add a new source is quite easy. So Airbyte offers 350 plus pre-built sources connectors. So we'll just have the list. Yeah, here is the list. And these connectors include databases, SaaS tools, file types, APIs, cloud storage, marketing platforms, etc. Practically everything that you'll need. The next is destination. So here again, we can see that there are some on this page. Once it loads, we'll be able to see the pre-configured ones. And we can add new destination with a click, and this again offers a wide range of data warehouses, databases, data lakes, files, analytical tools, etc. Connections is the third one. This is where the magic happens. Connections tie sources to destination. Each connection is a data pipeline. Let me show you one connection that is existing, right? You are able to define which table or data streams to sync, how often to sync, what will be the sync mode, etc. Once configured, connections run automatically on your schedule. And here on this page, you get full visibility of the connection, their status, job history, schema, everything, settings, all of that is available. And then there is Builder. This lets you create custom connectors if you need something that doesn't already exist. But honestly, with 350 plus pre-built connectors, most teams never need this. So the question comes, what actually can you do on Airbyte on Shakudo? Well, you can consolidate data from multiple sources into one warehouse for unified analytics. You can sync data between systems. CRM data flows into your marketing platform, customer support tools, everywhere it's needed. You can automate reporting, pull data daily from APIs into, say, Google Sheets, so your dashboards automatically update, right? Airbyte moves data reliably and automatically. Shakudo makes it enterprise ready without enterprise complexity. You are able to deploy it in minutes, not weeks. Zero infrastructure to manage. Enterprise security built in. Data stays in your environment, and it integrates seamlessly with rest of your data stack, say dbt for transformation, superset for visualization, all of that in one platform, Shakudo. That's Airbyte on Shakudo. Powerful data integration without the headache. Thank you.